In this brief video, we're going to go over how to create an applet to find motivated leads using IFTTT, if this then that. So the first thing to do would be to go to IFTTT.com and to log in. Once we're logged in, we're going to go to My Applets and we're going to start a new one. So here's going to be a new applet. The first thing we want to do is click on this area where it says if this, and we're going to figure out what exactly it is that we want to do. Since we're going to be searching classifieds, we're going to click on classifieds, and here it tells you that you can copy and paste a search results from a URL from Craigslist or one of the other search classified sites, and so that's what we want to do. So we want to go to Craigslist. So let's just go out to Craigslist, and for this demonstration we'll go to York, PA, and I want to select real estate for sale, and in this area I want to select my search terms. The terms that I want to enter are going to be the following: for sale by owner, followed by the little vertical line, the little pipe symbol, and then must sell, and if you have more than one word you're going to have to put it in quotations, fixer, TLC, needs work, investor, and best offer. Those are some of the terms that are good for motivator seller leads. They're going to go ahead and click the search button. And what's going to come up would be any properties or any listings that include these particular search terms. Once these terms come up, or once these listings come up, you can go all the way up to the URL and copy the whole thing. You're going to go back to IFTTT and we're going to click on this box that says post new post from search, and we're going to go ahead and put that URL that we just copied right into here, and that will initiate the trigger. So we want to go ahead and do that. Click create trigger, and then this screen will come up, and that basically says that the if part is complete. Now we have to do the then part. So the then what? Well, let's tell it what to do. In this case, we're going to have it create a Google Doc. Let's see, there's Google Drive. What I want specifically is a Google Sheet. So let's type in Google. Okay, that's enough. I see Google Sheets right here, so I'm going to select that. And what I want it to do is to add a row to the spreadsheet. I believe the first time what will happen is it'll actually create the spreadsheet. After that, every new listing that it finds will add a new row to that spreadsheet. So we're going to go ahead and select that, and we're going to name this, we'll call it York, spell it right, York Craigslist sellers. And what it'll do is it'll have these fields across the top: the post title, the content of the post, the URL of the post, what date it was published, and the feed title. And in our Google Drive, we're going to call it it's going to follow this path, IFTTT, and in the classifieds section. And let's just go ahead and create this action, and then hit finish. Now if this works properly, every time there's a new post in that particular search criteria, it's going to add a new row to my Google Drive spreadsheet.